Hello everybody, this is a review for Pritam Kesar. Just to let you know that Pritam created my HVAC website from ground zero. He also worked on the SEO on the website and the backlinks. He was able to find issues when another freelancer transferred my old WordPress website to Groove, and he also fixed them. And Pritam also found an application that makes it much easier to get Facebook and Google reviews that is also synced to the bottom of the page of my website. And it's also super easy for visitors to see and leave reviews. Not only worked on the website, he also built my online social media platforms from ground zero. So all social media, he made shorts videos the whole year. So Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, TikTok, and YouTube. So I wish you good luck. I thank you so much for your service, and I wish you the best. Thank you.